How to add Clyde bot on Discord PC. First of all, we need to open the Discord application on our PC device and then move on to the server we want to add the bot to. On the top left corner, we can see the server name. On the screen, it is named as server alongside a small arrow pointing downwards. Click on the server name and a drop-down box appears where we should look for the server settings options and click on it. The server settings option will open us to this page where, as you can see, the Clyde option is highlighted. Click on the highlighted Clyde option as shown on the screen and click on Enable Clyde option. This option will now enable us to have the Clyde bot in our specific server. We hope this tutorial helped you. Keep watching for more and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.